Yeah, hi, I'm going to be showing you how to play the E 7th chord on your piano or keyboard. First locate the root note E, play this with your first finger. The next note we'll need is the G sharp, play this with your second finger. The next note is the note B, play this with your third finger. The last note we'll need is the note D, play this with your fifth finger. So there you have it, the E 7th chord. Now, because the E 7th chord is in fact a 4-note chord, you can also have what's known as 4 inversion of the chord. This inversion is called the root inversion or root note inversion because you have the root note at the bottom. To make an inversion, simply move the bottom note of the chord, E, all the way to the top. Move your hand. This is called the E 7th chord first inversion. To make another inversion, again move the bottom note, the G sharp, all the way to the top. Move your hand. This is called the E 7th second inversion. To do one more inversion, again move the bottom note, this time B, all the way to the top. Move your hand. So this is the third inversion of the chord. Now you'll notice if we do one more inversion of the chord, moving the bottom note, D, to the top, we will in fact be back at the root inversion of the chord, just like the one we started with, only one octave higher. Okay? And of course we can go the other way, downwards on the piano, starting with the root inversion. Now move the top note of the chord, D, to the bottom, move your hand. This is the third inversion of the chord. Again, move the top note, B, to the bottom of the chord, move your hand. This is the second inversion of the chord. Again, top note to the bottom, move your hand. The first inversion of the chord. And lastly, top note to the bottom. And you'll be back at the root inversion of the chord, E 7th. Now I'm also going to be showing you how you can do this a bit easier. Instead of playing all 4 notes with my right hand, I'm going to be playing this root note with my left hand. And I'm going to change the fingering a bit here. Now, instead of inverting all 4 notes, I'm only going to be inverting these top 3 notes of the chord and keeping this root note the same. So this is the root inversion, and now I'm going to move the bottom note of this 3-note chord to the top. Like this, move my hand, play the root note here. Right? One more inversion, bottom note of the chord to the top, move my hand, play the root note, like that. And one more inversion, bottom note to the top, move the hand, play the root note. So now we're back at root inversion again, right? And the other way, downwards on the piano, starting with the root inversion. Move the top note of the 3-note chord to the bottom. Move the hand, play the root note. One more, top note of the chord to the bottom. Move the hand, play the root note. Like that. And one more, top note to the bottom. Play the root note. We're back at the root inversion of the E 7th chord. So to practice these inversions, simply go up and down the piano like this. So there you have it, the E 7th chord. Now, before you leave for today, please remember to like this video if you liked this piano lesson. I'm sure you did, right? And subscribe to this channel to get more free piano lessons from me. Please guys, do it now, help me out. See you around. So, I hope you enjoyed this free piano lesson. Do you want more free piano chord stuff? How about a free piano chord chart? Or a free chord inversion crash course, or a free chord symbols chart? Simply go to pianochordcharts.net and download your free stuff. Click the link below and I'll see you over there. Please like this video to keep our videos free for future visitors. Thank you.